What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. Your boy JPM comes to y'all with another how-to. This is a 2008 BMW 3 Series, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out, and we're going to be installing a double DIN. So first thing you want to do is get your plastic panel removal tool, stick it right here, boom, get that AC out of there. Put him off to the side. Then we got two Phillips head screws, one right there, one right there. I'm gonna change my bit. We're gonna take those two Phillips out, and what do you know, we'll actually just slide this thing out. So now that we got those two Phillips out, we can just pull that thing out like that. Alright guys, so that's about it. Well, that's at least how you take the radio out. Now let's show you what you got to do in order to make this thing fit a double DIN. Alright guys, so you guys see this sub dash piece right here. We need to take this out. So it's held in by 1, 2, 3, and 4 T20 Torx. So let's go ahead and take those out first. Alright y'all, so I got those out and I'm sitting here pulling on it and it's acting like it's want to move, but it's not going nowhere. Haha. It's because these things are right here too. So it looks like they are 8 mils. Yep. And I'm definitely tightening that. So let's just go the other way. And voila, doggone la. Should be able to take this thing out of here a lot easier now. Boom. Take all that crap out of there. All right, so much more space. Looks like we can actually fit that double DIN in here now. So all right guys, so here I already have my brackets mounted on. It's really easy. 2 screws and mount this on the right, 2 screws and mount this on the left, and I already have everything wired up. Now I know what you're thinking, I didn't actually go over the wiring because all these radio removals, and when I install the radio, they wire up the exact same way. So to make this thing short, sweet, and efficient for you guys, I've made one video that actually goes over how to actually wire up a radio, and you can hit that in that card right over there in the corner. So you can watch that if you want to learn how to wire up a radio. It's pretty basic, but I do go over every wire, what it's supposed to do, and all that good stuff. So just to make this short and sweet for you guys, so you can kind of have a quick little tutorial, that's why I do that. So now we hook up our AC, and this thing just slides in like that. Slides in over here. It's all tightened by pressure. So now we have some white clips that's going to go on the end of this that came inside our dash kit, and that thing is going to mount right back there in that little slot. So once that goes on, it'll kind of snap in and look something like this. And that's what it'll look like. Let's go ahead, and now there is 2 holes at the bottom. It says that for any reason, if your car does not, the holes don't line up, you can push this up a little bit like this to get some little tension, and then there's 2 Phillips head screws that comes with it to make your own holes, just to kind of secure it. But let's go ahead and turn this thing on real quick. I just turned it off. Alright, so I will put all the links to the parts that I've used, radio, dash kit, all that good stuff, in the description. Oh yeah, I will put all that stuff in the description for you guys, so you guys can get all these parts and all that type of stuff. Other than that, this is JP signing out. I'll see you guys in the next car. Peace.